So again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and to facilitate time, I have pre-primed and have a wet white 14 by 14 inch canvas over here. I'll bring it on in a minute. I've taken my regular Artist Loft half black, half Artist Loft white and black with half white and black from Black Onyx from Walmart and whatever white semi-gloss it is, and I put layers of paint into those little cups. I've also put some metallic red with black in here. No special paint brand, just a severe curiosity to see what I can do. And how far a 4-ounce cup half full of paint will go. Looks like it might go a lot further than I was expecting, but that's really okay right now. That's going in the bucket. I got paint all over my hands. I was really expecting something a lot more striped, but that's why I made up more than one cup. And I suppose I should just figure that I will use an edge catcher. It's bound to be here somewhere. Oh, that's really long. I found one. Yay. So let's just use the paint we've got to cover our canvas to start with. See how far we can stretch it out. I haven't torched yet. I do like those little tiny dotted cells of white that are popping up. There isn't any water in this mixture. I'm squeezing my edge catcher to let the paint run down. And I will shuffle it right back on, and it will turn gray, as I would expect. So I think next time I need a lot more rings in my layer. So if I start tipping toward that end, then I can hopefully tip back toward myself in a minute. Who knows what this is going to turn out to be. It's already nothing like what I was expecting. But I think that's a good place to start in any case. And I think I probably do have enough paint to cover my canvas. I'll let those 2 cups relax their contents. Whatever paint I have left over is certainly going to go on the edge. I want to get that right over to that edge right now and stretch it out as far as I can. And hope that I can keep some of those stripes, because that's what I had intended to begin with. I'm going to worry about that other corner later, all those other corners later, and just keep spreading my paint out until it covers as much of the canvas as I can possibly get. And I will use my spatula to put some of that paint right back on the canvas again. Or something else I like to do is move the painting and bring the paint on the edge catcher back on line onto the canvas. I'll be very interested to see what the red does. I do have a fingerprint in there. I do need another spatula too. So I'm going to use my spatula to remove the paint from the edge catcher and reapply it to my canvas, wherever I can have it go. And I do have a little bit more paint in my cups. I'm glad I have some white left. The black pretty much swallowed the white. I haven't tried this with the Maiden black and white. I am going to do whatever it takes, including Bringing that edge catcher right back up here. Now there's all kinds of ways to spread paint. Straw will definitely make gray, mixing the black and white. It's my turn. Now if I go this way, I'm going to lose my white. Who knows what this is going to be? I'm getting some purple. Black is either a blue, red, or green base. So I'm going to assume that this is a blue base. Thus the purple. And I'm going to grab a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. And use it to take a little more paint right out of there. It's different. I don't hate it. It's not what I was expecting. It might still turn out to be kind of cool if I'm lucky. I definitely wanted to do something red and black for a while now, and the red has not been cooperating with me. I think I'm going to like this. I think I'm going to like this a lot more than I expected to. Move my skewer out of the way. Get ready to retrieve that paint. Actually, I think I'm just going to run my finger under the edge. This paint will flow to paint. What have I got in my cup? And what did I see that I needed to fix? Okay, so where does the remaining residual red go? Kind of feel like down here, maybe a little over there. As long as it's still red. It's really a lot more purple than red at this point. But I have quite a few patterns on there and I don't mind them. I have quite a bit of gray down here. I don't think it'll hurt anything. Well, maybe not. And I just dribbled one of those tails that I don't care for, which I'm going to try immediately to alleviate by just dabbing and dragging. So what else should I do to that? I don't know. That's pretty cool. That's not like anything else, that's for sure. Let's just play with a skewer for a minute. Anything that I do at this point is going to be gray. I can leave my paint heavy if I want to because I use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixtures, and I do have some heavy paint for sure. So, where's my little spatch? Actually, I was going to use a small palette knife, but I think I want to play with this little piece of acetate. And see what happens. I don't know, there's not that much I want to happen, actually. That's a lot of paint on there. I wonder if there's another color that would suit me. I just want to go shh. I don't know, that's a lot of paint, but I like the little cells that I'm getting, so I'm not complaining. But I am going to call it pretty good. It's sort of like you can see stars through to another universe. It's a pretty odd galaxy pour, if that's what you want to call it. But I think it stands on its own right at this moment. So I'm going to call it good. And torch, and I bet that'll do something. I did get some red stripes. I'll be very interested to see how it dries. Getting all kinds of little stars. I like the little white marks. I don't know why people have a problem with them. You can't buy that. That's definitely a result of using white paint. And probably the artist's loft, but it could be the house paint too. The latex semi-gloss from Walmart is like that. If I wanted to put some more white lines in there, I certainly could. I just need a squeeze bottle. I do need the torch to get rid of all the bubbles caught in the paint, because I didn't do it initially. And I might be getting a little closer than I should, because I'm liking watching all these little cells pop and all this textural element become part of the composition. So I should tell you guys, there's over 91,700 subscribers on my channel, and if you're new here, please be welcomed, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you are subscribed and you've been coming for a while, thank you so much for still being here. I really appreciate that. I love you all. Check my Teespring clothing underneath the video for all-over print leggings and all-over print t-shirts. Know that I have 2 books, and they're on the Amazon link under the link tree that's right directly under the video. My tools are going in the bucket. I have a monthly drawing, and you can enter if you want to by contributing through PayPal or Patreon. The icons are on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, and the links are also on the link tree. Also on the link tree, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, and my email, my website. Underneath the link tree, you will find my email if you are interested in making a purchase. Make a note of the hashtag number on the, I got a lot of extra paint on there, don't I? Make a note of the hashtag underneath on the title, in the title of any video. Blah, 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 blah. I want to thank you guys for all the wonderful comments that you leave me. I'm sorry about the reflection. I tried to spin it around a few times. Thank you for all the donations that helped keep me painting all this time. Know that there are Facebook groups. If you want to join Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students, you can find that link on the link tree next to Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More, where you can shop pixels.com and find America. You can also get there under the link tree too. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More has albums that have some of the edited artworks from the YouTube videos. If you guys want to see anything in particular added to inventory at pixels.com, Find Art America, or Teespring, all you have to do is ask, and I'll give it my best shot. If you like my videos and you like to have me stay at YouTube, please give me a thumbs up. Share whenever you can. Watch them longer. Watch them when the notifications come out. And know that every comment you make and every thumbs up you give help my standing. So look for my paint pouring recipe underneath the video under Show More. I wanted to zoom in. And know that you're welcome to ask questions. I can't get rid of the reflection of the camera, but it looks like a dragon to me right there. I should put an eye right there. Interesting thought. Maybe not. Okay. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I will see you anon. Bye for now. If I forgot anything, you'll see it in another video. I post at sometime between 1:30 and 3:15 p.m. most days, and Friday, Saturday, and Sunday nights also at 10 p.m. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I think I said that twice. I love you. I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.